Hiya boys and ghouls, Neko here once again with another video for you. This is my third video so far, so if you haven't yet checked out my introduction or the one talking about what I am planning to do on this platform as well as my Twitch moving ahead, pause right now and go back to that. And yeah, so hello again. I hope you guys are doing wonderful. I'm hoping to try to release a video a day, but right now that's a little hard just because I'm trying to, you know, find my footing here. And I also do make videos for TikTok as well, which even though they're like a minute long, they take several hours to do, so just bear with me. But today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, so different than my last two, which were just kind of chit-chatty, and I'm pretty much doing this with a whole bunch of loot crates that I kind of collected and never opened. So yeah, and then I'm hoping to use the contents for like future giveaways for things. So these are fairly old. I've just kind of held on to them and just kind of never opened them because I have ADHD and forget about things, and yeah, so today I'm using this as an opportunity to actually unbox my loot crates. So like I said, they are old, so I'm sure many of you have probably seen these already, maybe you even got these, so I do apologize for them being so old, and I'm going to try to get through all of them. I have six boxes. Yeah, so let's get started. I know I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just kind of I had a subscription to them thinking it'd be a good idea for giveaways for stream, and then I couldn't afford it anymore and I canceled it, and then I just forgot to open them. But yes, so this is the loot box. Poop-a-joop. I've got to open it. Open. There we go. I don't know if pointy things are allowed on YouTube, so I'm going to try to keep that off the camera until I sort that out. So the first box... Ooh, looks like it's got some Fallout stuff. We got, yeah. Welcome home. Fallout thingy. Oh, ooh, a little sister. There's a little sister. Horizon Zero Dawn thingy. Looky. I'm sorry if the glare is just awful. I don't want to take them out of the plastic. I'm sorry, I have problems. Ooh, a little Assassin's Creed pin. Ooh, ah! Dropping things. A journal. Oh, that's cool. It's that's neat. It's heavy. Oh crap. And then what is this? A poster? Oh, it's a Fallout poster! You guys want me to open it all the way? I'll open it all the way. Make some space. And it actually shows all the stuff that I got in the crate. So it's like a... So that's cool. So that's box number 1. I'm surprised. I thought they would be like, all themed towards like one thing. I didn't think there would be like a variety of stuff in these boxes, so that's cool. Ooh! This one's got like, I'm pretty picture. But the other one didn't have. The other one was with black inside. This one looks like an alien spaceship type looking thing. We have a Fallout shirt. Ooh, look at your baby. Cute. Sonic the Hedgehog. Ooh, a glass water bottle. You guys want to see it? Oh my god. That's pretty cool. Sonic Mania, it says on the back. Oh my goodness, that's so heavy. I'd be so afraid. This is glass. I'd be so afraid of breaking it. Megman pins. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's cool. It's like life bars. Oh, I know. Well, the green screen is taking away the green part, but you get it. You know what it is. Got a little Sonic Mania card, which again shows the stuff on the back of what I got in the box. This last thing. Super Fight! The Lootcrate deck. This is a 100 card version of the viral card game Super Fight, designed exclusively for a Lootcrate by Skybound. These cards are only available in this exclusive deck. Create hilarious fighters with these cards, then argue over who would win in a fight between them. That's cool. I don't know if I should open it and show you guys the cards, maybe in another video, just because we still have 4 more to get through. So maybe I should hold off. I don't know. I need an adult. Alright, I'll open it and I will go through them a little bit. If I can get the wrapper off. Some rule cards. Some blank ones, and then it's got like, interesting. I'm not. I gotta. Ooh. Okay. So these are like the first ones that are on top. It just has like blank space and then like names of stuff. Then there's a bunch of these darker cards that are like abilities, I guess. Can only be killed by a stake through the heart. Chained to their evil twin. So I guess it's like stuff about them. And there's some blue and purple ones. Let's see, Godzilla's stomach. On a roller coaster deep in the Amazons. I guess like kind of where they're from or where they are now, maybe. I'd have to look at the rules, but And the purple ones, all fighters armed with chainsaws, squirt guns, fighters cannot see or hear. So very interesting. You like create your own kind of thing. It does have like a rules card that I'll go through at some point when I want to check it out. Oh wait, get back in your box. So that's cool. That was box number 2. Mm-hmm. Oh. This one's got cool like controllers on it. We've got Super Nintendo, we've got PlayStation, GameCube, original Nintendo, Xbox. That's cool. Ooh, a Borderlands shirt. Claptrap! It's Claptrap! That's cool. Of course, it's like a teeny tiny shirt. Fallout Nuka-Cola Red Power Armor. Is it like a dude? Is it a dude? Oh, it might be a little dude. This is a dude on the back of the box. I'm sorry, I said I was going to keep that off the screen and I just kind of like... It is a little dude! Okay, I don't know if I should take him out. But he looks like that. So that's really cool. I wish he had like a window. Kind of like Pops do. So you could see without taking him out. Ooh. A little collectible pin. I don't know if you guys can see it. It says Loot Gaming Apocalypse on it. This little thing. This thing. A coffee mug? Oh my god, it says Naughty Dog on the back. Yes, I'm originally from Jersey. Leave me alone. I know what you guys would think. That's cool. And last but not least, oh wait, there's still a poster in here too. A Rage 2. Speed Up Goon Crossing. And then what is the poster this time? Oh, it's another Fallout poster. Is it the same as last time? No? That's cool. Oh! Ah! Oh, these are fun boxes. Okay, on to the next one. Feels really stiff, whatever it is. Opening. What in the world? What in the world? It's an apron? Hello? So, okay, now since I'm armored up, what else is in here? It's a little frozen raven from Fortnite. That's cool. Oh, that's so cool. I know the green's gonna be messed up because of the green screen. I apologize. If I know there would be so much green stuff in these boxes, I would have turned it off for this video. So, learning as I go, folks. Learning as I go. We've got, ooh, a little controller pin. That's fun. I like that. I don't want to do these pins. I don't work at certain places anymore, so I don't wear lanyards anymore. If anybody out there has ideas on where you put pins like that, please leave it in the comment section, because I have no idea. What is this? It's adorable. Animal Crossing! I should have known. I don't have Animal Crossing, so don't judge me. But it's a little cup. EPA free, very, very important. That's so cute. It does have a straw. When the enemy comes knocking, knock them out. Do your part at earthbreak.com. So whatever that is, and then it has a, like, puzzle to the back. I lost my armor. And we have another poster. Another poster. Ooh. Looks like Katamari. Whoop. Printed the wrong stuff on the back of this poster, or they forgot it because it says that I should have gotten some sort of stress ball. There's no stress ball in here. That would have been nice. Next box! We are on now the second to last one, guys. Second to last one. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for staying. I appreciate you. Ooh, a Tomb Raider shirt? That's pretty cool. I wish all their stuff wasn't in gray, but that's still cool. Ooh! Ooh! That's super cool. Ooh, pretty. Ah, it's supposed to be green. Dark Souls card wallet? I don't know, I guess it's just a little, I don't know what you would, like, obviously it holds your, like, credit cards and whatever cards, but I don't know what you would do with it. I figure that's what a whole wallet or whatever is for. Maybe it's for people who use purses? I don't use purses. But still, that's cool. I like Dark Souls. Get in there. It's a mug for Diablo. And it's a heat-changing mug. Oh no. Give me the tab. Oh, see, now I wish I had some, like, hot water on demand so I could, like, make it color change for you guys. I don't have any hot water on command. I'm sorry. I didn't know I was gonna get a color changing mug. But you can kind of see, like, what would appear. I'm guessing would be that raised bits. That's really cool, though. This is terrible. I mean, it's terrible in the best way, because my, like, mug section of my cabinet is currently overfull. And there's, you know, 2 more mugs in here. And we still have 1 more box to open. Put stuff back in. Put stuff back in. And scooch it over here. So I can get to the... Oh, it's Elder Scrolls! Ooh, that's pretty. I like that a lot. We're on the last box. We're on the last box. See something squishy, Skyrim already. Oh, come on, man. Ooh. That feels nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a fleece throw. I was like, is it a hoodie that feels this amazing? Is it a robe? Oh, I can't unfold it all the way. Whoa. Okay, never mind. It just kind of fell through. I hope it didn't ruin it. It didn't ruin it, did it? Ah! Okay, I think we're alright. I think we're alright. Look at it! Look at it! That's amazing! Oh, it's so cool! And it's so soft. Sorry, I'm just trying to make sure of something. It shouldn't be picking that up. I'm sorry if you are hearing my earbud microphone. You shouldn't be. I keep seeing the mic thing move though. So I'm just, I apologize if it's getting picked up somehow. It shouldn't be. It's disabled. But I have a curse with technology where it just kind of does whatever it wants to do. So, if that is a thing, let me know in the comments section so I can get that addressed somehow. I'll have to bother someone who's technologically smart, because alright, please, you're too heavy. You can go over there. Red Dragon Die Keeper. I have to open this and see what this is because it's D&D related and that makes me happy. It's a little, like, dragon figure, and you actually put, like, the die that came with him, you actually put under his chin, and he's holding it. And he's not holding it there, but when you set him up, he is. He's on the side of the box. That's amazing! Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Boyfriend might like that. A little, what? This pin unlocks something epic. Go to lootcrate.com/pin. It's a cool little, chalice. Oh, wait. I think I know. I think I know. Oh, come out! Come out, come out, come out, come out, come out! Yeah! That is super cool! Put the thing in the thing! Stop with your madness. Stop with your madness. Yeah! That's so cool! It needs to be broken in because it keeps wanting to fall over, but yeah, that's neat. Look at that! How cool is that? That's so fun. At first I was like, what is that little thingy? But then I saw the shape of this guy in there. So that's cool. Get back in your little bag, please. Magic the Gathering Arena. What is this? It kind of reminds me of the boards to, like, you know, hide the DM, but it said Magic the Gathering, so. That's pretty, though. I don't play Magic, but that's really pretty. I can appreciate the artwork. I apologize about the green again. From the co-creator of Rick and Morty. Oh my god. What is this? What? Trover saves the universe? Oh my goodness. And one final poster. Ooh. Another magic based one. That's pretty. So yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I think it was worth the wait, because those were pretty awesome boxes of stuff, if I do say so myself. There's definitely some stuff in there I can obviously use as, like, giveaways, because I haven't done a giveaway in my stream in a while, physical stuff is usually sub only just because of shipping. I'm sorry. And some of those things I will probably end up keeping. But yeah, so I guess that's it for this video, guys. If you haven't checked out my last two videos, make sure you do, like I said earlier. And don't forget, this Friday I am doing my 4-year Streamiversary stream on Twitch. I will probably be recording it as well to upload here in another playlist area. And that's pretty much it. So, yeah, thank you all so much for being here. I appreciate your faces, and I don't know when I'm gonna get another video uploaded, because every Thursday now, I have to go babysit for my niece, so unless I have something done ahead of time, I don't know. So again, I'm trying to work things out. I'm really new to all of this and trying to figure out my new schedule, and I also want to learn video editing so you guys don't keep getting these, like, raw messes of things, and I can cut out, like, you know, obviously this stuff that is important. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for joining me today, though, for the unboxing, and thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey through the YouTube world and learning everything. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on Friday. Much love to you all, and thank you so much for being here.